Oh, what a beautiful morning. I happiness all to myself. La 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 la. La 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 la. Get my clothes. Go to Catalina. I hear it's really fun on that island. Or maybe I'll go to Naples, Italy. They've got good pizza. Or maybe I'll just go to that tree over there and see where my sister's at. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Ow! Help! I'm flying, y'all! Do you see that? Mom, Dad, look at me! Woohoo! I'm cute. What's my Fledge birthday? Does that mean I'm grown up? I'm still a teenager and my mom and dad will feed me, right? I'm already hungry. I miss my mom and dad. And I miss Sonny too. Here's looking at you, kid. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check me out live stream on friendsofbigbearvalley.org. FOBBV.